Good morning. This will be our assessment area. Like what I said a while ago, you will undergo a National Certificate Assessment in Food Processing in situ, in which you are going to perform salting, curing, and smoking. So I am assigning you as candidate number 1 and you as candidate number 2. Now, I have here with me the assessment instruction, which will serve as your guide in performing the activity. Can you read the instruction? Do you understand the instruction? So, do you have any question? So, because once the assessment begins, I will no longer entertain any inquiries. Please, you may now begin, and please be informed that both of you will undergo oral questioning after you accomplish the activity. You start with solving process. Okay, ayun yan. You may now proceed to the next activity.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations, candidate number 1. You may now leave the assessment area. I'll call you later for oral questioning. For you, candidate number 2, you only have 5 minutes to accomplish this task. Okay, time's up. I'm sorry for candidate number 2, you did not meet the requirements. Candidates? So, candidate number 1, here's your question. What are the benefits of curing?
So, curing is the process of adding certain preservatives and the fish products. This may include soy sauce, pineapple juice, pepper, and other seasoning. Thus, curing not just help to prolong the shelf life of the fish products, also adds additional flavor on it.
Okay, very well said. And candidate number 2. For you, candidate number 2, why wearing of PPE? PPE is important.
So PPE or personal protective equipment is important for us to avoid getting injuries while performing the task.
Thank you so much. So for my feedback, I would like to congratulate candidate number 1 for completing the assessment. Meanwhile, candidate number 2 did not meet all the required activities, but don't you well receive COC as recognition of the task you have performed, and you can apply for reassessment. Thank you, everyone.